to make money online in 2022. Regardless if you want to make little money on the side or develop a long-term online career, there are lots of ways for you to profit from your skills and hard work ethic. In today's video, we'll be listing down the top 8 ways to make money online in 2022. Number 1. Increase the value of your social media presence. Social media has changed the way we connect on the web and provided everyone with a place to express themselves. So if you use a social networking platform like Instagram or Twitter, you might want to think about monetizing your account. One method to achieve this is to promote other businesses' products and services. Sponsored posts are popular on social media, and they're frequently labeled with the hashtags #sponsored and #ad to make it easy to spot them. Advertisers would want your followers to engage with you, so make sure the sponsored merchandise is relevant and be distinctive with how you advertise the brand. You run the danger of losing your subscribers if you don't have any creative means of interacting with your potential clients. Influencer markets like Aspire IQ and Upfluence are wonderful places to start looking for sponsorships because they connect with you with hundreds of potential sponsors. But you could also consider working directly with firms. Alternatively, you might leverage your presence on social media to promote your projects. If you frequently post about fitness, for example, you may sell fitness-related items like t-shirts, protein bars, and water bottles. Others utilize social media to market their latest blog pieces and online courses. The idea is to keep your followers entertained while still making money. Whether you sell adverts directly on your social media accounts or use them as an opportunity to share your other interests. Number 2. Microtasking. Do you want to monetize your talents? Microtasking might be the best option for you. A micro job is temporary, short-term work that pays for each task that you complete, with earnings ranging from a few cents to $50 per task. Selling your services on micro job marketplaces like Fiverr, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and others is a popular method to start making money online. Anyone can sell digital services on these platforms, including graphics and design, writing, films, music, business, lifestyle, and more. Businesses use normal freelance marketplaces, which evolve into micro job marketplaces. The distinctions between the two platforms have blurred a little over time as businesses adjust to an ever-changing environment. But in general, work on websites like Fiverr are short, quick projects. You may, for example, offer to write a blog post, create a logo, write messaging for a company's social media campaign, or create a short YouTube video. The main concept is that you gain money by doing a lot of small jobs rather than doing one big task. Number 3. Work as a voiceover artist. But before we continue, go ahead and click the subscribe and like buttons. It takes a lot to make these videos. Your small actions tell YouTube to keep promoting our videos. Also, tell us in the comment section what you think about these different ways to make money online. Thanks! Now back to the video. Working as a voiceover artist is a great method to generate money online rapidly. Because most voiceover assignments are project-based, there's no need to commit long-term. Most importantly, businesses are continuously on the lookout for new voiceover talent. Some examples of how you can make money using your voice include audiobooks, commercials and advertisements, trainers, demonstration videos, and audio guides. The amount you make from voiceover tasks is determined by your experience, the type of project, and the length of the script. In the United States, for example, a voiceover artist working on a small to medium project earns roughly $40.11 per recording hour. Audiobook voice artists, on the other hand, can earn up to $125 each recording hour and $500 per finished hour, the latter referring to the length of time it takes to read a book. Although it may appear to be a simple job, being a good voiceover talent requires you to be adaptable, dynamic, and capable of bringing a script to life, regardless of the subject. A consistent narrative voice, outstanding articulation skills, the ability to voice different characters, and solid pacing talents are all important to learn if you want to be a voice artist. Number 4. Test websites and apps. Testing the user experience of websites and applications is another approach to delivering feedback to businesses or app developers. The online gaming market was worth $178.73 billion in 2021, up 14.4% from the previous year. It also has the greatest market share in the worldwide digital media. As a result, a plethora of chances for customers to earn money online by testing games and gaming apps have emerged. As a tester, you will most likely need to download testing software to your computer, tablet, or mobile. After that, you'll be asked to do some tasks, most of which will take between 10 to 20 minutes to finish. For example, you might be required to locate a product and complete the checkout procedure in an online store. Don't worry, being a tester will not require you to purchase anything. Simply put your testing websites and apps so that programmers can fix usability flaws and improve the customer experience. Number 5. Make money by selling stock photos and footage. If you're passionate about photography or videography, you can consider selling stock photographs and footage to make a passive income. It's a fantastic opportunity to pursue your hobby while also supplementing your income. Stock content is used by many companies and business owners in making marketing initiatives, advertisements, and websites. Buyers are continuously looking for new ideas and distinctive viewpoints to help their organization stand out, in addition to the usual stock photo structure. You can create a photography website and sell your photographs on it as well. Simultaneously, you can consider registering a few internet marketplaces and listing your digital downloads. You'll get a good start on creating your brand and marketing it to potential purchasers this way. Some of the most popular stock photography and videography websites include Shutterstock, Getty Images, VideoHive, and Dissolve. Number 6. Work as a freelancer. Freelancing markets are an excellent area to look for jobs on the internet. Contractual work, part-time jobs, and full-time jobs are all included in these job directories. Various types of tasks are listed on general freelancing marketplaces like Freelancer, including but not limited to data entry, graphic design, mobile application development, and freelance writing. Other freelance marketplaces specialize in particular fields. 99 Designs, for example, is a freelance competition website that solely lists design jobs. Markets for freelancers are notoriously competitive. If you want to effectively bid for clients, you'll need to build up your freelance profile both on and off the marketplace. It can be challenging at first, which is why some people lower their rates when they first start, but your reputation will improve over time. You can be more careful with how you freelance and determine how often you work and what prices you charge clients once you've established yourself. You can also freelance part-time to supplement your other online work. Number 7. Participate in an affiliate program. Another wonderful approach to generating money online is to join an affiliate marketing organization. As an affiliate, you can earn money by marketing products, services, or enterprises on a variety of channels. You'll get a portion of the profit if a customer clicks an affiliate link and makes a purchase. Affiliate marketing can earn bloggers anywhere from hundreds to $10,000s of dollars, depending on how many affiliate programs they sign up for and the amount of their blog's viewership. With so many affiliate programs to choose from, make sure you join the ones that are right for you. Some of the most lucrative affiliate programs to participate in include Amazon Associates, SEMrush, TripAdvisor, and GetResponse. Affiliate marketing, like any other business strategy, involves trial and error. Choosing the correct niche, producing low-quality content, and neglecting website performance are just a few of the most common affiliate marketing blunders to avoid. Number 8. Build an e-commerce website. One of the best ways to gain money is to sell items online. Due to its benefits, an increasing number of brick-and-mortar stores have migrated to e-commerce. Aside from having a larger market reach, e-commerce stores have reduced beginning costs, which allows you to save money on operational costs. To scale operations, you don't need to rent multiple retail sites, for example. It's critical to settle on the store's niche before starting an internet business. If you're undecided, studying popular products will help you narrow down the products you should sell. Choosing the correct platform is very important since it will influence you and your client's overall experience. Building a successful online store takes a lot of time and effort, so it could take a few months before you start making a decent monthly profit. You'll also need to prepare yourself by researching what things to sell, who your competitors are, and who your target customer is, as well as looking at how others have developed successful shops. Some popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify and WooCommerce.